Glasgow Sevens, comic book theme for fancy dress. You were involved at the Commonwealth Games here in Glasgow. How amazing an event was that?
Yeah, it was. It was huge having such great support from the city to get behind the games, and particularly the rugby. It was the biggest crowd ever for a Sevens event, so it was unbelievable, and it'll be even better to see everybody dressed up this year.
How exciting will the event in Scotland be in May?
Hugely exciting. I mean, there's some great rugby being played, and there was huge crowds at the Commonwealth Games, seeing excellent rugby, really fast tempo, and you're going to see exactly the same. It's just getting harder and harder every year, so it's going to be exciting.
Well, obviously after the Commonwealth Games, we've got a new coach and stuff in place, and we've been at 5 tournaments so far in the IRB circuit, and we've been really successful. We've put in some really positive performances, and it's always nice to get on home soil. So the boys have obviously got Hong Kong and Japan before then, but there'll be a lot of emphasis put on the Glasgow when it comes round.
Hey, now we're building our speed as we're approaching a hill.